I found this interesting story about a teacher who is teaching his students about socialism in a practical way. So here is the article, and you can see for yourself, and it's very interesting. It explains you how socialism actually works. So here it is.
Politics at school. March 12, 2014, an economics professor explained that he had never failed a student in his entire career, but was recently forced to send home an entire class with failing grades. The class in question claimed to be very involved, and that major social problems are caused precisely by inequitable income distribution, and that therefore socialism is a much fairer and better system because then everyone would be equal. Okay. They called for an experiment. It was an economics class after all. From now on, everyone in the class got the same average grade. Then you could experience for yourself what that meant. After the first test, the averages were calculated and all students were given the average 7. The students who had studied hard were dissatisfied, but the students who had done little thought it was perfect. In the next test, the students who already did a little less, and the hard-working students from the past thought they could hitchhike too and did little more about it. The average became a 5. On the third test, the average became a 3. The grades continued to fall and never got better. The atmosphere deteriorated and people blamed each other for everything, but there was no one left to study for the benefit of someone else. At the end of the year, everyone fell. The professor explained that socialism ultimately fails for the same reasons. If the reward for effort is great, people are willing to put in the effort. If that reward is taken away by the government, then there's hardly anyone who is willing to make the same effort. What can we learn from it? You cannot fight poverty by taking wealth. If someone gets something for nothing, someone else gets nothing for something. The government can't give anything to anyone without taking it somewhere else first. You cannot multiply wealth by sharing it.